Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect Cursory to GitHub. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Cursory tutorials. So open Cursory on your desktop or browser or log in to your account. Here I'm using the desktop version. Go to this tab and here, just go over to Customize and you're on the Marketplace section now. Just choose the search bar and search for Git. Here you'll find the GitLab option. Click on Add to Cursor to connect Cursor to GitLab with the GitLab MCP server. And you'll get access to the GitLab commands here. For example, create a pushback, locale create merge request, pipeline status, and plus print. So let's click on Add to Cursor and click on Add Plugin. Wait for Cursor here to add the GitLab plugin, and the setup is being finished here. So this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.